Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete projects in the VLLO app. First, open the VLLO app. Once you land on the home page, you will see the list of all your projects. Each project have a three-dotted icon at the bottom right corner of its thumbnail. Tap on the three dots for the project that you want to remove. A menu will open with options like rename, duplicate and delete. Tap on delete. Now VLLO will show a confirmation message to make sure that you really want to delete the project. You will see two buttons, cancel and delete. If you change your mind, tap cancel, but if you are sure, tap on delete. Once you tap delete, the project will be successfully removed from your project list. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to delete projects in VLLO. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more easy VLLO editing tutorials.